Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the Darkhorse concept Turn X Gundam, and this is the bootleg version for the Turn X Gundam from Bandai Master Grade. And as you can see, this is the 1/100 scale, so it means it's the Master Grade counterpart from Bandai. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this kit has to offer us collectors. By the way, I got this from Ph from China, and they sent it to me immediately after they had the actual kit already. So let's go, let's check this kit. So as always, the bootleg kits nowadays got this kind of box, this kind of brown box, instead of having the same counterfeit box art. So they got this kind of box with just the brown color and the code name or numbers for the kit. So it says here Darkhorse, and there's this Chinese character here and the concept X612 or the Turn X Gundam, and the 1/100 label there. So if we open the box here, we'll see these content. So let's review first the manual. So the manual is the same with the Avenue model that I got, like the Akatsuki Gundam. So there is no other thing printed on the front part or the cover page aside from the parts list. So we got here the parts list and some Japanese, or rather Chinese text, and that's it. Too much chunky parts for this one, and it has this kind of action-based stand, which is very nice, and I think this is also included with the Master Grade Bandai. So there we go, it's a nice kit. Assembling process here is for me not that hard to build, because I already built several master grades, but I think this one is really interesting because it got this kind of odd design compared with the traditional Gundam body. So this has a different scheme and different design, so it will be very interesting. So that's it. Judging the way on how to build the kit is good for intermediate builders, especially here on the hands, and I wish that these parts are not that hard to apply or fit well, since this is a bootleg. Expect some difficulties, especially on the small parts. So there we go. This has some asymmetrical design. The right arm is different from the left arm, and the feet looks so bizarre because Turn A Gundam has all bizarre looking model except for the Zaku, which they call Borjanon. So that's it. Let's go with the packages. Okay, just show you all the pages, and there we got the legal placement for the ship or for the kit. So let's go with the packages. So we got here this clear action-based stand, and the color here is really nice. It's not that greenish. It's not that faded as well. I don't know in the camera. The camera shows a bright green, but in the naked eye, this is much lighter. Okay, so we got the stickers and water slide decals. This is the foil sticker, and we got this kind of beam effect that will emit on the right hand. We got this clear black parts for some inner frame design. Then we got this chunky parts. And by the way, the wrapper of the packages are nice. So it's perfectly wrapped. And we got this black parts. They are all wrapped properly. And we got this clear action-based stand. Again, action-based parts, which is very nice. And finally, we got this gray parts and the chunky blue parts for the backpack. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So this kit is mainly large chunks. So there we got this kind of blue parts for the backpack, and I find the plastic really nice, so it's not different with the bootleg that I built, the latest bootlegs that has this good quality like the Huan Ying and the other brands that I reviewed recently. So the plastic is really nice, it's hard and doesn't show any mold marks that is always present with the Bandai plastics. The Chinese counterparts has this kind of neat and clean plastic surfaces without the mold marks. So we got here runner G for this chunky parts. For the clear parts here, we got runner I, and this is what I don't like. The runner labels are very small and it's very hard to see. So for this clear parts, it's a bit thick and a bit rubbery, which is very nice. Then we got this runner A1 for this kind of green plastic, and this is a bit smooth, not matte and not glossy as well, so just perfectly or balanced smoothness on this kind of plastic. So there we got runner A1 again with this kind of chunky parts and chunky pieces. We got this gray parts for the inner frame. This is runner F and another runner F, so we got two sets of runner F here. Then for this kind of runner, it's very small. This is runner B, labeled runner B. So that's it. We got this kind of chunky pieces here. Then we got this parts for the gun and bazooka, and this is runner H. Then we got here runner D for this chunky pieces, inner frame parts, and runner C for this inner frame parts again. And for the small pieces here, this is runner E1 and runner E1 again, so we got two sets of runner E1. And we got this clear piece here that I didn't open yet. And we got stickers, foil stickers, and this water slide decals. So I didn't open yet this action-based stand. These are clear action-based stand for the gimmicks. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review, and see you next time for the finished build of the Darkhorse Gundam Turn X, a bootleg copy for the Master Grade Gundam Turn X from Bandai.
Halimbawa itong makita, electronic gadgets, no? Reviewers, at bag. Kung halimbawa, sa first day kasi sigurado meron pa yan, no? Since nasa transition period pa tayo, ililista po yung pangalan nila, no?